One essential skill as a realtor that will help you thrive and make you more productive in the year 2025. Now, this video is to provide valuable insight, especially for new realtors, because this seems to be like a recurring question in my DM and in my WhatsApp. So, what do I do for the new year? Or what can I do differently? How can I be more productive than the previous year? What direction or what do I do differently? These are the marketing strategies I implemented for last year, and it wasn't effective. What can I do differently this year? Can I do this? Can I do that? So I decided to do this video. So I don't know, this can be like a part one of this video, because I'll be doing like several answering questions, because the truth is I've not been physically available to attend to everybody. My time is in 2025 is, or my schedule is tighter, because I'm just starting the year and I need to have a retreat with my team and prepare for the year as well. So I prefer to do a video answering this question so that other people that have a similar problem can get the solution from this. Now, one essential skill, and from the few that I've attended to, I notice one common problem, and the problem that I observe is delegation. So this video, I'm going to title this video "Do It Yourself Video." This is 2025. A lot of new realtors just starting out always want to skip the process. They always want to skip the process. And what do I mean by that? If I'm to tell you to list out your best realtors, all of these people, and I mean all of them, they have one thing in common. They followed a process. They didn't just start real estate and skip the process and they start delegating. We're always caught up in the process of trying to scale when we are just starting out, that we miss out on knowing the basics. And when I mean basics, I mean basics of real estate. I mean basics of sales and marketing. I mean technology that will help you sell better. All of your top realtors know this, and before getting to the stage where they are in now, they follow the process, and the process is do it yourself. We want to delegate. We want to shoot a video, you delegate, and you're just starting out. You don't know how to shoot a video. You don't know how to edit a video. You don't know how to run ads. You don't know how to write a script. You don't know the right marketing strategies that will help you sell better. You don't even have a product knowledge. You don't even know where to go. And that is because you are trying to skip the process. You don't start real estate by delegating. You don't start real estate by delegating. You need to take out time. This is 2025. Dedicate the first 3 to 6 months in learning the basics. Dedicate the first 3 to 6 months in learning the basics. This is like an opportunity for you to sit down and watch and learn. A lot of the things you need to do to succeed in real estate, I tell people, is free of charge. I have a digital marketing arm. So if I want to make money off you, I can tell you that I can run the ads for you. I can shoot a video for you. My graphics designer can handle all your graphics. I have a digital marketing arm. And for those that don't know, that's Shasha Digital. I have a digital marketing arm that can do all of that for you. But why do I need to make money off you when I can tell you the right thing to do? A lot of the knowledge that Mr. Property have from real estate, I got them free of charge. Now, you go on YouTube, you go on Google, and you take online courses. Some of you, to take out 5,000 naira from your pocket for personal investment is a problem. But if you're not ready to follow these steps, know that when you chat me up and I find out that you have not even made any move, I might not attend to you properly. Personal investments. The money some of us spend on personal investment is even way more than we have for other expenses. And that's just the way it is. It is what you pour in. It is the level of energy and what you pour in that you get the results. You understand? You don't sit back, do nothing, spend nothing, and expect manna to fall from heaven. Dedicate the first 3 to 6 months. Go on YouTube, go on Google, take online courses, learn the basics. And the beauty of that is that you have valuable insights. Do you understand? You can, when you eventually delegate, the analytics sent by a professional, for example, you sent your ad to someone to run it for you. When they send their feedback or their report, you know how to analyze that feedback. You know what to say. You know when your ad is not doing well. You know when that person is just taking advantage of you, just spending your money running ads and making free money. The reason you know all of that is because you can do it yourself. When it is time to scale, nobody will tell you. ask all the odogus in the industry. Nobody will tell you, because you will feel choked. You understand? When it's time to scale, you will feel choked because you feel that you are past that level. Then you can now start delegating. But at this stage, when you need to be saving costs, when you need to probably channel your money into other productive things that will make you more money, you delegate, and you expect results. You understand? When the money you are spending is not matching what is coming out, then nobody should tell you. At this stage, as a realtor in this early stage, you should be thinking about saving cost. The only money that you should be more concerned about now is personal investment. So like I said, it is a do-it-yourself video. Sit down, dedicate the first 3 to 6 months of the year. I'm not saying you should use your entire day to do that. Dedicate a time every day to be better. This week I want to learn basic graphic design. You go on Canva. These things are free. You go on Canva, watch videos on Canva. Another day you sit down, you watch videos on how to shoot. Another day you learn watch videos on video editing. Another day you watch videos of real estate as a beginner, the language, the terminologies used in real estate, so that when you see people talking, they don't look like they are speaking another language entirely. 2025, your main priority should be about how to better yourself. Then, when you have this back end knowledge, then you cannot start talking about delegation. I hope this video is for someone and you've gained a lot. And like I said, my schedule is extremely tight, but I think the next video I should be dropping, the next video should be about recommended coaches, recommended YouTube channels, recommended people that you can follow to learn about real estate. If you're interested in this, I need you to write the word drop in the comment section. Write drop in the comment section. And if I can get like 100 drop, then I see that, okay, we are ready for business. Then my next video will be about recommended channels, coaches, people that you can learn from to help make you a better person, and will also help you make more money via sales and marketing, and also to make you a better person in 2025. This is Mr. Property, the proper thing. Year 2025, expect to see unconventional videos like this. No be every time we go to studio, they use all this backdrop and all this fancy lights. Now as we see them, we go shoot them. If na inside car, we go shoot them. The most important thing now to pass value. So if you're interested, don't worry, you don't have to pay anything. Just write drop in the comment section, and that might be my next video. And if you also have any question, okay, drop in the comment section as well. If these questions are common questions, I'll do a video on them to address good number of people, so that I know that that has been settled instead of just repeating myself. So most people, when they have a similar question, what do? I just send them a link of the video that I used to address that particular question. So follow, like, comment, and share to all your fellow new realtors that need to watch this video. Mr. Property, the proper thing. I will see you in a bit. Pumba.